Welcome to our in-depth look at the stunning 2025 Mazda CX-8. Today, we'll explore its design, features, and everything you need to know about this remarkable vehicle. Let's start with the front view. The 2025 Mazda CX-8 boasts a bold and sophisticated grille with a distinctive mesh pattern, proudly displaying the Mazda emblem at its center. The narrow, angular headlights add an aggressive touch, enhancing the car's modern aesthetic. Subtle contours on the hood contribute to its aerodynamic profile, while large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches, giving it a robust stance. Advanced driver assistance systems are indicated by the visible sensors and cameras on the front bumper. Moving to the side, the CX-8's sleek and modern design is evident. Smooth lines and elegant curves define its body, with reflective surfaces showcasing the high-quality paintwork. The large, multi-spoke alloy rims complement the vehicle's sporty and elegant look. The aerodynamic roofline and clean window lines add to its dynamic and contemporary appeal. At the rear, the 2025 Mazda CX-8 continues to impress. The distinctive taillights feature a circular LED pattern, giving a futuristic vibe. The robust rear bumper with an integrated black diffuser and dual exhaust tips adds a sporty and aggressive touch. The metallic gray paint enhances the luxurious and modern aesthetic of the vehicle. The 2025 Mazda CX-8 is set to be released in late 2024, bringing with it a host of exciting features. Under the hood, you can expect a powerful yet efficient engine, paired with Mazda's renowned Skyactiv technology. The interior will offer a blend of luxury and practicality, with advanced infotainment systems and premium materials. Safety features will include the latest in driver assistance technology, ensuring a secure and comfortable driving experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Mazda CX-8. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest in automotive excellence. See you in the next video.